Az-Zalzalah, the shaking, with the name of Allah, the most gracious, the ever merciful.
إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها
When the earth is shaken with its violent shaking,
وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها
and when the earth shall throw up all her treasures,
وقال الإنسان ما لها
and when a person will say in bewilderment at the extraordinary happenings on the earth, what is the matter with her?
يومئذ تحدث أخبارها
That day she will relate all her news pertaining to every action done in secret on it.
بأن ربك أوحى لها
For your Lord will have inspired her to do so.
يومئذ يصدر الناس أشتاتا ليروا أعمالهم
On that day of reckoning, all people will come forth in various groups to be shown the results of their deeds.
فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره
Then whosoever has done so much as an atom's weight of good will see the good result of it.
ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره
Similarly, whosoever has done so much as an atom's weight of evil shall also see it.